What I want to tell you in this video is how to create an Instagram account. First, you need to install an Instagram application on your phone. First, download the Instagram application from Google Play Store. Please wait while the application downloads. Okay, after installing the application, it is already scanning. Okay, go back to your phone's home screen and enter the Instagram application. Okay, let's start creating an Instagram account on your phone. If you want to create an Instagram account linked to your Facebook account, you can access it from here. I will show you how to create an Instagram account with a phone number. Enter your phone number to create an Instagram account here. If you add a phone number, start from 9 because it has a country code. After entering the phone number, click Next. Okay, a 6-digit code will arrive in the phone number you entered here. Fill all 6 codes and you have reached the next step. Here you have to enter your name and password. I will enter my username and password. You can add whatever you like. If you have finished, you have to choose whether to sync the contacts saved on your phone or not. I will choose Continue and Sync Contacts. Click on Allow. Here you have to choose your birthday. Here, the username of your Instagram account is automatically generated and displayed. If you like the username, click Sign Up and Continue. I will write the name of my choice as my username. Click on Next. You can choose what you like in these steps. As for me, I will add settings later, so I will skip all of them. Okay, now you can easily create a Telegram account on your phone. If this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe to my ITNet channel. Thank you for watching this video.